I'm gonna chop the onions now into small pieces, the chilies and the coriander. This won't take too long, these are only small onions. Quite easy to do. Mind your hands, you need a sharp knife, just small dices. See? Once you've done that, move on to the chopped coriander. Just finely chop this. Chilies, you can use more chilies if you want. You can use naga chili if you want, red chili. I've got 3 because the kids are going to probably have some, so just be careful. There might be extra hot seeds in there, so be careful how many you put in. But I'm just going to use 3 just for garnishing on top. Brilliant. We're going to start cooking this, so we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of oil. There we go. Get that. It's on medium heat at the moment. Next we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here comes the ghee. Just going to let that melt until we put the onions in. So what we've got, that's melted now. So we're going to put in the onions. There are 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. So just move these around until they go a bit soft. So a few minutes, just keep stirring it until they go soft, and then we'll go to the next process. Here we go, just toss this around a little bit. Ooh, it's coming on, it's coming on. So now the onions have been a few minutes now. We've tossed it around. The onions are now quite nice and soft and moist. We're going to put in the garlic and the ginger. So we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. There it goes. Now they're both in, we're going to mix them around. See, the heat needs to stay on medium, otherwise it'll burn. Mix that around, give it a little stir. For a little bit, we're going to stir it for a bit until the garlic and the ginger fragrance goes. Now that we've had the garlic paste and ginger paste in there for a few minutes, we've kept on stirring it to keep it all moist in that. It's been a couple of minutes, so I think that'll be fine. We're going to get the tomatoes, chopped 2 tomatoes that we've had, and pour that in. Goes all in. Stir that around. Right, the tomatoes have just gone in. We're going to give that a few minutes until it goes nice and soft, and we'll go to put all the spices in. There he is, look. My cameraman's gone to the front. I'm recording him. Yeah, he's got all the spices ready. Hello, excuse me, cameraman. Hello, excuse me. Can you go back to the back of the camera? The chef's coming to the front again. There you go, I'm back. Cameraman, he's gone to the back. I'm back on it now again. There you go. Tomatoes are become quite soft now. I'm going to start putting in the rest of the spices. Right, we're ready for the spices now, so the spices to go in. There we go. I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of turmeric. Get that in there, sprinkle that all in. Oh, flying about everywhere. I'm going to put a teaspoon of red chili powder. And mix that all in a minute. Next we've got a teaspoon of cumin powder. Get that in there. The wind is blowing it because the kitchen window is open. And we've got a teaspoon of coriander powder. There we go. Get all that in there for that fusion. Time to mix it all up. We're going to mix this all up. It's going to probably need a little bit of water. We're going to add some water in a minute. Right, mixed it all up for a little bit now. Just add a little bit of water so it doesn't stick. Not much, just a little. Give that stir for a couple of minutes and we're going to add the rest of the spices. Right, this is mixed for a bit now. We're going to add in half a teaspoon of garam masala. Get that in there. We're going to add half a teaspoon of mango powder. Yeah, we're going to mix all this in together now. We're going to add a little bit more water because it's drying up a little bit wet, and then just going to put some water in a little bit. There we are. Not too much. Give that a little stir. A few minutes, just mix it all together. Add a teaspoon of salt. Bringing that along. That might be a bit too much. And then we're going to mix that up. All up. Give it a nice little mix. You need a little bit more water because it's sticking. I didn't use a non-stick pan, but it's good to use a non-stick pan. If you're going to put some bit of water in, a little bit more water, not too much, just to keep it from sticking, and give that a little couple of minutes, stir that all in, also all the spices fusion together. You never know, it might come out quite nice if you do it properly. Just when I thought I'm going to leave it, the cameraman's got tired of doing his camera work and he's come in and mixing it all up and he's got the eggs ready. Ah, he's taking my job, everyone. Looks like I'll have to go to cameraman sometimes. He's a bit keen, isn't he? Dave, you keen? Hey! We've got 6 boiled eggs. Obviously we've boiled them, peeled them. Now he's going to slice them in the middle. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, here we go. What we're going to do, I'll place these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. There we go. Oh, last one. Slide that in there. Now we're gonna have to try and get the. I'm gonna have to try and keep the heat low. I'm gonna mix this up now. Get the spice on top of these. Yeah, just give it a little. So I have to marinate them all up. That's it. Give this a go. I'm going to cover this up. We mustn't break it though. Try not to break it. There we go. All the eggs are coated with the spice now. We're just going to add some lemon juice. Don't let the pits go in, it's no problem. Get rid of that. With some green chilies. Coriander now. There we go, turn the heat off, and it's perfect. That's it.